everyone, it's Shea and I'm the Food Service Director at SC Johnson. Check out my colleague Chef Israel's video on making guacamole. Hope you enjoy it.
Hi everybody, welcome back. I'm Chef Israel and today I'm going to show you how to make guacamole. All we need is 2 to 3 avocados, half a cup of diced tomato, 1 tablespoon of diced onion, 1 large jalapeno, half a cup of cilantro, and 1 lime juice. And we're gonna start with adding the avocado into a bowl that I already have smashed. We're gonna add the lime juice, tomatoes, onion, jalapeno. If you don't like spicy, don't add jalapeno. You can use bell pepper, cilantro, and about half a teaspoon of salt. You're gonna mix all the ingredients well. Make sure you mix everything. After you mix everything, you can transfer into a bowl. And here, you can eat this with potato chips, tortilla chips, on top of tacos, on top of tostadas. I hope you enjoy this. See you next time.